Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really hot out here. So anyways, we are going to reseal a few glasses, window glass. Yeah, we're going to reseal, right? Because some of them are like loose and
weather and bugs.
Yeah, we don't want bugs getting in. Bugs can't get in there.
Hold the AC in.
We want to hold the AC in, right? So anyways, we're going to show you guys how we do that. We're going to remove the glass and seal it back. What we're using?
Silicone.
So we're going to use silicone and a caulk gun and a scraper
to remove the plastic things around the edge.
So anyways, we're going to show you guys how we do that right now.
You stick the little scraper behind it and you just kind of pop it out and you just work your way down, and that one came out really easy.
Okay.
But if you break these, you really don't need them if you silicone it, but you want to stick it in and push in and up to get these out. Slide the thing down it and then just pop out like that. Plus it'll be safer. Nobody just can't take these out and break into your building. It's easy. You want to hold the glass, but the glass will fall out.
Okay. There's no glass.
We just want to go around this edge and make sure this edge is nice and clean. Get all that old glue out of there.
Okay.
Just scrape it clean.
So Chris, I have a question for you. So it has been asked in the comments, what is it that you can't do? Because it seems like you can do everything.
There's a lot of stuff I can't do.
Like what? Huh?
Roofing.
Roofing? You probably can't. You probably don't want to.
I don't want to. A lot of stuff I won't do for people. Because I don't want to get called in the middle of the night and say a roof is leaking. I won't do too big of electrical jobs because I don't want somebody to call me and say their house burnt down.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off.
Do you guys see the ceiling? Ooh, look at that ceiling. Nice, right? I have covers and everything. Anyways, focus, Patricia, focus. Sorry.
Now we're just going to stick the glass back in the hole. Line it up where it won't fall out. Now you can put these back in or you can leave them out. But I like to put them back in to hold the glass from falling out until the glue dries.
Okay.
But you can actually tape these things in. Now to put these in, you gotta if I can get them in. You gotta put them in an angle. You gotta push down on them. And then these click. in the spot, or you can glue them in. But if you glue them, you'll never get them back out. And these things, like I said, they really come inside and make sure there's no glue on the glass. Because if there's glue on the inside, you want to clean it off now while it's wet. You see in the corner we got some glue, but don't push on the window too hard. Just kind of wipe it out. It's clear. Just wipe it out with your finger. Let's see. You need to clean them things for sure.
Yeah, they're dirty. I definitely have to clean them. Probably like, I don't know, good 10 years of dirt. For sure. I'm not. I was just like this. I didn't touch it. But that's it. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my windows was filthy. And let me tell you, I tried everything to clean my windows and I could not get them clean. All the Windex in the world just didn't work. I actually got this trick here on YouTube. So all you need is Dawn dish soap. You can add some vinegar like I did, or maybe just try the soap, or maybe just try the vinegar. But I just wanted to do the soap and the vinegar together because I wanted to make sure that this worked, and I just had to share with you guys. I literally was going to hire a cleaning crew because I simply could not figure out how to clean my windows. Unfortunately, I did not have my camera with me when I actually did the windows, so that's why I'm recording how I did it on the door glass. But you know, I didn't want to redo it because Chris had already put up the blinds. But let me tell you, my windows are so clean now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this technique, and it works. Throw away the Windex. Throw away the Windex.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that, broken mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, hey. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make